Good morning, student. In my previous video, I started the new chapter, Admission of a Partner. And in that topic, I started the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. And in that new profit sharing ratio, I discussed two cases. Today, I am going to discuss the third case of calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So, let's see. The case number 3 is when a new partner acquires his share from the old partner in a particular ratio. Like in the previous case, a new partner is acquiring it equally from the old partner. But here the partner is acquiring in a particular ratio. So what is that particular ratio? Let us see in the given example. Now in this, I taken A or B are the partner. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. C is a new partner coming for 1/5 share and acquiring 1:2. 1:2. It means पहले पार्टनर इक्वल एक्वायर कर रहा था, यानी कि आधा इसको C को half is given by A and half is given by B. But now the partner is sacrificing in this ratio 1:2, यानी कि 1/3 is sacrificing by A and 2/3 is sacrificing by B. तो जैसे पहले previous case में I explained you how to follow the steps for the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. The same steps to be followed here also. So let us take the step number 1. In step number 1, we have to calculate कि one partner sacrifice for the new partner. So who is sacrificing first? First is A and then we'll calculate of B. So A sacrifice 1/3 of 1/5. That equals to 1/15. Similarly, B sacrifice 2/3. पर्टिकुलर रेशियो में कितना था? 2/3. 1:2, 1/3, 2/3. तो 2/3 ऑफ शेयर कितना है? 1/5. तो इट विल कम 2/15. So the sacrifice done by the A is 1/15 for the C and B sacrifice for the C, that is 2/15. So this way we had calculated how much C is acquiring from A and B and how much A and B sacrifice for the new partner C. This is step number 1. Now in step number 2, we will calculate the new ratio. So A's new share, old कितना है? 2/3. So old is 2/3. From there 1/15 sacrifice for the C. तो LCM हो गया 15. 10 minus 1, 9/15 हो गया. Similarly we'll calculate of B's new share. तो B's new share that equals to old share कितना था? 1/3 और 1/3 में से B ने कितना सेक्रीफाइस किया? C के लिए 2/15. So minus 2/15. LCM हो गया 15. So this is 5 minus 2, that is 3/15. Now let's calculate C's new share. C's new share 1/15 he is getting from A plus 2/15 getting from C. So that is 3/15 और ये हो गया 1/5. Same the share which we decided to give to the partner C. So this way we had calculated the new share of the new partners. So A's we had calculated 9/15, B's we calculated 3/15 and C we had calculated 1/5. Now what is not common here? That denominator is not common. C का denominator A और B के denominator के सेम नहीं है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll calculate, we'll take the LCM like हमने previous case में किया था. So A is to B is to C, 9 upon 15, 3 by 15 and 1 by 5. So LCM is 15, 9 is to 3 and 5, that is 3. Okay, so the ratio between A is to B is to C, that is 9 is to 3 is to 3. इसको हम और शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे करेंगे? तो ये हो जाएगा 3 is to 1 is to 1. So the new profit sharing ratio between A, B, C, that equals to 3 is to 1 is to 1. Let us see once again. The question is A and B are the partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 1. C is admitted a new partner for 1 by 5th share acquired in the ratio of 1 is to 2 from A and B. From A and B. Now, I followed the same step which we had followed in the case number 2. Case number step number 1 क्या है? I calculated the sacrifice of A, or you can say that C acquire from A. So 1 by 3rd of 1 by 5. ये 1 by 3rd कहाँ से है? 1 by 3rd that जितने में वो acquire कर रहा था, particular ratio दे रहा था. So 1 by 3rd of the share of C, 1 by 5. So A sacrifice 1 by 15 for the C. Similarly, we'll calculate of B, 2 by 3rd of 1 by 5th, that is 2 by 15. So A is sacrificing 1 by 15 for the partner C and B is sacrificing 2 by 15 for the partner C. Now step number 2, we will calculate the new share. और इसका एक छोटा सा फॉर्मूला होता है, बस उसी फॉर्मूले पे हम स्टेप नंबर 2 फॉलो कैलकुलेट करते हैं. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? ओल्ड शेयर माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. जब ओल्ड शेयर में से सेक्रीफाइस शेयर को निकाल देते हैं तो हमको मिल जाता है न्यू शेयर. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला विच यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. एंड आफ्टर दैट तुमने देखा A is का न्यू शेयर 9 by 15, B न्यू शेयर we had calculated 3 by 15, C is न्यू शेयर in which 1 by 15 getting from A and 2 by 15 getting from B. दोनों को ऐड किया, it comes 3 by 15, और छोटा कर देंगे 1 by 5. Then I have taken an LCM of all the denominator, it comes 15, 9 is to 3 is to 3. And इसको और शॉर्ट कर दिया तो it comes 3 is to 1 is to 1. So the new profit sharing ratio between the three partner, that is 3 is to 1 is to 1. This is the case number 3. Now let us discuss the case number 4. So let's discuss case number 4. This is the last case from all the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So case number 4 is when a new partner acquire his share by surrender of fraction of their share by the old partner. Now what is the difference between this case and all other 3 cases? If you will see carefully this question, you will find in this question how much share of a new partner is not given. Like case number 1 में भी था कि AB is the partner and the new partner is coming for 1 by 5th share. Then case number 2 में भी था कि new partner is coming for 1 by 6th share. Then third case में भी था कि new partner is coming for 1 by 5th share. But if you will see this case, it is given that कि new partner acquire his share by surrender of fraction of their share by a old partner. So in this case, the share of new partner is not given. But उसमें ये बताया है कि partner किस fraction में नए पार्टनर के लिए सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं. तो हमको अगेन केस नंबर 2 और 3 की तरह यहाँ पे भी 2 स्टेप को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि न्यू पार्टनर के लिए ओल्ड पार्टनर कितना सरेंडर कर रहा है, कितना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है. और जब हम ओल्ड शेयर में से सेक्रीफाइस शेयर को माइनस कर देंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट विल गेट द न्यू शेयर ऑफ अ पार्टनर्स. So let us see how to calculate it. Now in a given question, A and B are the partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3. A surrender 1 by 20 of his share, whereas B surrender 1 upon 24. देखो दोनों ही fractions में 1 by 20 is also in the fraction and 1 by 24 is also in the fraction. Surrender of fraction of their share by the old partner. पार्टनर। किसके लिए फ्रैक्शन सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं ये लोग, सरेंडर कर रहे हैं इन द फेवर ऑफ सी। सो ए सरेंडर 1/20 ऑफ हिज शेयर, तो उसका शेयर कितना है, ए का शेयर कितना था, 5/8 था। इसका मतलब ये हुआ 1/20 ऑफ हिज शेयर इस कितना था ए का, 5/8, whereas B surrender 1/24 of his शेयर कितना था B का, that is 3/8। तो इस तरीके से हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट स्टेप का निकाल लिया कि कैसे हमको फर्स्ट स्टेप करना है। सो लेट अस कैलकुलेट इट। A sacrifice for C, that is 1/20 of 5/8, 1/20 of 5/8. A sacrifice for C 1/20 of his share 5/8. Similarly, B sacrifice for C, that is 1/24 of 3/8. Let us calculate. 1/20 of 5/8, that equals to 1/32. When you will solve this, so you will get 1/32. B sacrifice for C, that is 1/24 of 3/8, that equals to 1/64. So this is step number 1. We had calculated how much C acquire from A and B, or you can say how much A and B sacrifice for the new partner C. Now follow step number 2. तो ये हमारा हो गया step number 1 और अब हम follow करेंगे step number 2. So in step number 2 what we have to do it? मैंने सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला बताया था। फॉर्मूला क्या था, ओल्ड में से जब हम सेक्रीफाइस को माइनस कर देंगे तो व्हाट विल गेट न्यू शेयर, विल गेट अ न्यू शेयर। सो लेट अस कैलकुलेट दिस। अब इसको हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो ये हो गया हमारा सेकेंड स्टेप में ए न्यू शेयर इक्वल्स टू, उसका ओल्ड शेयर क्या था, 5/8 था, 5/8 माइनस सेक्रीफाइस 1/32. सिमिलरली विल कैलकुलेट ऑफ सी, बी का न्यू शेयर हो जाएगा, बी न्यू शेयर, ओल्ड वन इज हाउ मच, 3/8 माइनस सेक्रीफाइस कितना हुआ, 1/64. So let us solve it. 32 LCM हो गया, तो ये हो गया 20 माइनस 1, 19/32. इसको भी कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं। LCM हो गया 64, सो हो गया 24 minus 1, that is 23/64. 23/64. And C we had already calculated. C is getting 1/32 from A plus 1/64 from B. So when we will solve it, we will get the share of C partner. C equals to 1/32 plus 1/64 equals to 3/64. When you will solve this, so you will get 3/64. Hence you can see A new share is 19/32, B new share is 23/64, C's new share is 3/64. But you can see all the denominator is not same. So what we'll do again, we will calculate the LCM. And when we will take the LCM, now A is to B is to C, 19/32, 23/64, and this is 3/64. 64 हो गया हमारा LCM. Now 32 and 64, it will come 38. This is 23 and this is 3. So the new ratio between A is to B B is to C, that is 38:23:3. ये शॉर्ट नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए the new profit sharing ratio between A is to B is to C, that is 38:23:3. So this is the case number 1. Case number 4, and in the case number 4 is what? When a new partner acquires his share by a surrender of fraction of their share by old partner. I have taken an example that A and B are the two partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. A surrender 1/20 of his share. उसका शेयर कितना था? 5/8 था. ये दिया नहीं क्वेश्चन में, ये मैंने मेंशन किया हुआ है. Whereas B surrender 1/24 of his share in the favor of C. So I followed total 2 steps. Step number 1, I calculated the sacrifice. A sacrifice for the C, then B sacrifice for the C. So how I calculated? 1/20 of his share, that is 5/8. Multiply करेंगे, it comes 1/32. Similarly, B sacrifice 1/24 of 3/8, that equals to 1/64. Then second step में I calculated the share, new share of the partner. So A new share क्या किया मैंने? यही फॉर्मूला को मैंने निकाला, ओल्ड में से सेक्रीफाइस माइनस कर दो. So 5/8 minus 1/32 equals to 20 minus 1/32, that is 19/32. फिर मैंने B का शेयर निकाला, 3/8 minus 1/64 equals to 24 minus 1/64, it comes 23/64. C का शेयर निकाला 1/32. C is getting from A and 1/64 getting from B. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, will get 3/64. Now we'll take the LCM of all these share. Denominator निकाला, that is 64. 38:23:3. This is the new ratio of partner. A is to B is to C. So total we had discussed 4 cases. Case number 1, case number 2, case number 3 and case number 4. What is the difference between case number 3 and case number 4? In case number 1, 2, 3, the share of new partner is given, but in case number 4, the share of new partner is not given, but how much the fraction old partner is sacrificing for the new partner, that is given. So these 4 cases you have to prepare it from the topic new profit sharing ratio. I hope all you are understanding. Solve it all the question based on this topic, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. एक illustration करो, एक practical करो, and solve it all the question in your copy. Now afterward I will come up with the new topic, that is a treatment of goodwill. That's all for the today. Thank you and have a nice day.